Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am Jazz. So today's video is very 100% beginner friendly everyday makeup. So if you think you come into this video think you're gonna get some highline contouring, color on eyelids, all that extra stuff that they put in those beginner friendly videos, this is not the video for you because that's not a beginner. Like a beginner is not gonna know how to put on their eyeshadow. They're not gonna know how to contour their face. Like, that's a little bit more advanced. So in this video is very simple. I did my eyebrows, I added some mascara, bottom liner, foundation. 4 things, that's it. Beginner friendly. So stay tuned if you wanna see how I achieve this look. And also be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video and stay tuned for my next video. Okay guys, so first we're gonna do our eyebrows, and what I'm using is this dip bar by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and it's in espresso. Normally when I do my eyebrows, I use NYX Cosmetic eyebrow pencil, but I like my eyebrows to be dark, so I use it in black. It's the NYX Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. The top of my eyebrow, when I'm doing the top, I don't like to start all the way in the front. I like to start kind of like further back so it doesn't look too boxy. Then you're gonna take your spoolie. I have one in my eyebrow pencil. I'm just gonna take this spoolie to blend out the front part a little bit. My eyebrows are very thick, so yours may not be as this thick, but and then just do the other side. This eyebrow is a lot thicker, but that's okay because we're gonna conceal it. Okay, next we're going to conceal our eyebrows. Now, I'm gonna use a little bit of this LA Pro concealer underneath my eyebrows, and this is fine. This is my favorite because it's like almost gone. And for my top, I'm just gonna use my foundation, which is Revlon Color Stay, and this is 410 Cappuccino. Normally I would use a lot because like if I'm going for an actual look, a color look on my eyebrows, but I'm only gonna use a little because it's gonna be every day, so I won't have any color on my lid. So I don't want it to look too light. But you can either use concealer or you can use foundation on the top and the bottom if you prefer. But I like to do it this way. And you just blend it out. Okay, now like I said, we're gonna conceal the top part with our our foundation. We're gonna conceal the top part with the foundation that you're gonna use for your base. Okay, so you want to take a little bit of that foundation and put it in the beginning of your eyebrow underneath, so it doesn't look like you just have this white or this very light line under your eyebrows. Now, do you see the difference that made? It's not like this big white line underneath my eyebrow over here. Kind of fades into it, the little light part a little bit. Okay, now that our eyebrows are done, we're gonna add some primer and we're gonna add our foundation. Also some mascara and eyeliner if you want to put on eyeliner. If not, you can just leave it at the mascara. And lastly, I'm gonna add eyelashes because I mean, I love my eyelashes. I can't go anywhere without my eyelashes. So I'm gonna add eyelashes, but if you do not want to add eyelashes, you can easily just add your mascara and call it a day. Your look is done. This is easy as 1, 2, 3. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So the primer that I'm gonna use is this primer by e.l.f. and I got it at Walmart. They also sell this at Target and it's very, very, very inexpensive and it works really, really good. Primer's on. Okay, a key to having that very smooth look is to actually put on your powder, whatever your face powder is, put that on before you put on your foundation, after you put on your primer, and your foundation will go on smoother. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some powder on my face real quick. Now we can put on our foundation. And the foundation I'm using is Revlon Color Stay as well. It's the same thing that I can sit top of my eyebrows with in Cappuccino. Okay, at this point everything is done. Now I'm just gonna add some eyeliner and mascara. And like I said before, if you want to add eyelashes, you can. I'm going to add eyelashes, but the choice is yours. Last but not least, our lip gloss, and we done. Done. And that's okay, guys. This look is complete. Very simple, very easy. It takes about 10 minutes maybe to do. And that's it. Everyday makeup. Okay guys, so I just wanted to pop this video in at the end to show you all how this look looks with my eyelashes on. My eyelashes are very long, very dramatic, and eyelashes aren't they aren't really easy to put on, so that's why I didn't add into the video, because this was a beginner friendly video. But these eyelashes are optional. If you want to add eyelashes to your look, that's cool. You know, you just give it a little extra pop, you know what I'm saying? But this is my look. It's done. Very much beginner friendly. And thank you all for watching this video.